Hi guys, I'm Kiran Khokar. I'm a fashion, beauty and lifestyle blogger at www.indianchic.in. This is my first video on YouTube channel. I'm very excited about it and nervous at the same time. For this video, I have created a few looks for you guys so that you can use them on the daily basis. And the looks has been created by using very reasonable products which are available in the market, and they are very reasonably priced. I hope you love those looks, and do subscribe and comment below if you love them, and like my video so that this will help me to keep me motivated. And also I will be creating new looks for you guys every now and then, and I hope to see you guys soon. Enjoy the video. So first I'll introduce you to all the products which I'm going to use in this tutorial. To start with, I'll take a Pond's BB cream. You may use any BB cream of your own choice. This has been my personal favorite. It comes with SPF 30 and I have been using it for almost 3 years, and it works amazing on my skin and I totally love it. Second product will be your any compact or blush or this highlighter kit if you have. So I use this Makeup Revolution Protection Palette. It comes with all the things, and it has like concealers, compact, blush, highlighter, contouring. As you can see, I've used it a lot, so yeah, I'll be using this for compact. Then use a nude palette or any black eyeshadow or a golden eyeshadow for some highlighting or maybe something like that. It is highly pigmented and I love this palette. Okay, apart from that, we'll be needing an eyeliner. I told you in the beginning that it is going to be very economical products, so products I'm using here are very reasonable in pricing. This comes for almost 100 bucks and it's an instant eyeliner, and only problem with this is its handle. It is very small, so I'm going to use my own brush for that. I have a Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. You can also use mascara of your own choice. I love this one, so I'm using this here. Then a curling machine. We'll be needing 2 kajal, one in black, one in a nude color or white color. What I am using is Lakme Icon. The other one is Lotus Makeup Color King. So both are smudge proof, 8 hour stay and shine, and yes, this is exactly very black and this is exactly very white. Apart from all these products, a natural color or light lip color shade or any lip color of your own choice which you think that can go with you for daily use. This one is Lakme 925 Rose. And lastly would be a few makeup brushes, or even if you can go with one, so that would be cool with you. Okay, so I have also prepped my skin with a moisturizer, but you can always use a primer before it or a moisturizer, whatever is your own choice. Both works actually equally well as a base for your foundation or BB cream. So now I'm going to use my BB cream. I've taken this much quantity as of now, and I'll spread it all over my skin. Okay. Okay. So you can use a what do you call that? I forgot. You may use a beauty blender for yourself if you're comfortable with that, or a brush or whatever you are okay with. So I have been using brushes for a very long time. I prefer using brushes, I don't know why. And yes, so you are going to blend it well into your skin, the corner of your eyes, and take a little more and just use it on, because you don't want 2 color body, so obviously so use it all over your neck and face. A tip: if you have few blemishes on your skin, you may use a concealer before this, but if not, then this BB cream is good enough. And I'll be using a compact to from this Makeup Revolution kit. So I'll be using compact to settle my BB cream. So you can use a loose powder, and you may also skip compact if you want to, if you're not comfortable with it, but it is good to use a compact so that skin doesn't look oily at the later end of the day. Okay, so I have used again to your neck. So we're done with the compact. Okay, after that we will be using a blush. So as I told you, blush also is from this palette only, and highlighter also I'm going to use from the same palette. Okay, so I have, it's a very nice natural color, pinkish color, very light pink color blush. There's a trick to apply blush on, so it's like if you are a little cheeky, so you may do it like this, and sorry but that's how. And if you're little on a very slim, very cheekbone side, then you can naturally apply it on your skin, or even, you know, like this. You may skip a blush, but the thing is, blush actually gives you a natural blush on your cheeks, as it is rightly said. So it is good to use blush on daily basis. Then I'm using a highlighter from the same palette. You may use a highlighter brush as well, but I'm convenient with this, so I'll be using it on of my cheekbones here. And on the nose. A little bit on the forehead and cheeks. That's it well. The highlighter of this palette is also very natural, so you can use it on daily basis. That is the best part about it. Now what we are going to do is use our curling machine and curl our eyelashes. As you can see, my eyelashes are very close, like my eyes look very closed right now. So just to open them, I'll be using this curling machine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and yes. So if you can see the difference between the two eyes, this looks much more open and wider, and this looks very narrow. So this is what a curling machine would do to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, done. 9, 10. Okay, done. So I'm done with curling of both the eyes. Now I'll be using my mascara for this to curl my eyelashes. I'll tell you techniques and other tutorials how to apply mascara like a pro, and you know, without spreading it all over your eyelids, which usually we have, you know, problems when while applying. Can you see the difference between both the eyes? This looks so much better than this one. And even if you're going for a daily look and do not want to apply any eyeliner or anything, you can go with this look itself. When your upper eyelashes are done, then the lower eyelashes. A few strokes are good. Done. So we are done with the eyelashes. You can go with this look as well for your daily makeup routine, as this makes your makes your face look a bit brighter, and you can use it for daily use as well. The second look I'm going to create will be with an eyeliner. It's a step-by-step look, so you can, you know, repeat the same process just by adding some eyeliner or kajal to it, and your look changes completely. Okay, so yes. So now I'm using this eyeliner. As I told you that this handle is this applicator is not very convenient to use. So I will be using my own brush for this, and I'll be applying it over my eyes. From inside to outside, and then from inside to outside. Okay, so one side is done. Then again from inside to outside and from inside to out. You can take it a little outside, like to create a winged eyeliner look, not necessarily if you're not convenient with it or you don't think that it looks good on you. So you can just take the tip a little outside. Okay, so the same thing here. Just take the tip a little outside. So we are done with the eyeliner also. Okay, so you may carry on with this look again. This could be your second look, because just taking the eyeliner and you know, not going out with a kajal or something is also very in. So you can keep your eyes free and just apply eyeliner and you can go with this look. Otherwise, what you can do is take a white eyeliner, okay, and then you may apply it on your lower line of the eyelashes. Just natural stroke. Okay, and this would be your third look. White eyeliner or a nude eyeliner has been loved by many celebrities while going out, because it gives you a very fresh and natural look. So this you can do, or else what you can do is just under this white eyeliner you can use a black kajal. Okay, that was white kajal, sorry. So you can use a black, I am very sorry, so you can use a black kajal and just, you know, take it below, apply it below your white eyeliner. Okay, to complete the look, if you're convenient, you can give it like this, but otherwise what you can do is take your nude palette and from this I will be using this black shade. So using this black shade, just apply it on the black eyeliner which you have used. What it will do is, I am so sorry, I don't know what my phone is. So this is happening. So it will actually create the crease which will be there in your kajal, and make it much more smoother and nicer. Look much more smoother and nicer. Also, it will help it to, you know, it will help your kajal from smudging. So yes, we are done. So this is the third look. You can use the lip color of your own choice. I have used this rose pink already, so you can use any color, lip color of your choice. To take the, like, instead of this white eyeliner, this you must have been doing already. I will just be adding a touch to it. So you just have to make it completely black. Okay, so yes. So we have done it. Okay, and just take a shade of brown from this and just mix it with your black color. If you are more towards bold eyes or things, so this would be literally loved by you. What more you can add to all these looks which I have applied below before were, like, you take any of the highlighting shade, either a golden or a white color one, but vanilla one. So what I would usually recommend, if you're going for evening look, so you can take this golden color. If you're going for day look, take this vanilla shade and apply it on the corner of your eyes. So it helps your eyes look much more awake and get attention towards your eyes. Same highlighter could be used for just to apply it on the tip of your nose bridge and also on your cupid bow. So this was a final look, and I'll just take my runner off. So this is done. Okay, so yes, I hope you love these looks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. I love you all.